John Judokan Wujala Water Senate! Kabinmeto is rich in legends, history, and cultural heritage that keep Marshallese traditions strong and alive. Whether told through spoken words, writing, music, or art, legends continue to shape how people learn, remember, and grow through underlying life lessons. Tonight, voyage with Miss Kabinmeto as her talent tells the known legends from Vujay, Lai, and Woto through traditional dance. On Vujay, the legend of Lopbeibek teaches us to respect the ocean and its creatures, and that greed, carelessness, or disrespect can bring misfortune.
Lopbeibek,
On Lai, the legend of Librade teaches us the valuable lesson to not take anything for granted and to always be grateful for what you have.
Di pagkajenek berbindikan narabalin pecap mulak keren tindagian manual Chareo heren tinggi tagilo ae lakari mirip natawan kulina gigit decila jei jerak Eke manta ke cobreo manta cobreo joilo ayo heket airi no ko curi joilo ae juga mirip bae kapa cala tae ali pakaje re tepe bindiri kenare palini beda bumilak rei tilita kion natoan tilitak.
On Woto, the legend of Nen Annang reminds us to never judge a book by its cover, that with faith, courage, wisdom, and perseverance, even the biggest obstacles can be overcome.
Nandang yo yung redigi jarga digi rorore epeli epelo epel ngerum peli yo inoje tugu peli wati ngerum dia telak ini wale ane nandang yo yung redigi jarga epeli nepel epelo epel peli wati jarga jeneni peli mapatayo juri ajuju lang tata lang nu maneo me baby gurni wai di ka kujoro rie duwe isepero ya pedi berese kuredina man kurebina ito kipika tero ko papewai kanengan rodi.
Kabinmeto is connected by more than ocean. It is united by shared heritage, tradition, and a deep respect for one another. Although each atoll has its own unique identity, together they form one community with a common purpose and responsibility.